Hello YouTube, my name is Muhammad Uzair. You're watching YouTube channel Muhammad Uzair TV. In previous video we did some example on equation of line and learn about y-intercept and vertical and horizontal lines. In this video we will learning about parallel and perpendicular lines, and we will do some examples on parallel and perpendicular lines. Now, what are parallel lines? Two lines are said to be parallel. Two lines are said to be parallel. Two lines are said to be parallel if slope of both lines are equal. If slope of both lines are equal. Let's suppose, for example, y is equal to 2x plus 4 and y is equal to 2x plus 1. So as we know that this is, for this equation, y-intercept is 4, so one point is this, and let x is equal to 1, so y will be 6 for this equation. So 1 and 6 of this point. So combining these 2 points, so this is the equation of line. For the second equation, the y-intercept is 1, so one point is this. Let x is equal to 1, so for x is equal to 1, y will be equal to 3. So for x is equal to 1, y will be 3. So the second point will be this. So by combining these two, so as we can see that these two lines are, let me change the color. So as we can see that these two lines are parallel to each other. Now, what is perpendicular line? Two lines are said to be perpendicular. Two lines are said to be perpendicular. Two lines are said to be perpendicular if one slope are reciprocal and negative to another. So for example, these are the equation of two lines. Y is equal to 2x plus 4 and y is equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 4. So this is slope m is equal to 2, and this is reciprocal and negative to this slope. So this will be the equation of the second line. To draw this, 1 point, 1 point, so this will be this equation of this, and the second will be So second will be this. So these both are perpendicular. The blue one is this one, so this one is the equation of this one, and the white is this. Now let's do some examples when these lines are parallel and perpendicular to each other. Let's suppose we have example: find equation of line, find equation of line having point A 6, 7 and parallel to and 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. So find equation of line having this point A and parallel to this equation of line. So as we know that in parallel, if this line and the point having this, the line having this point are parallel, so the slope of these will be same. So let's first find the slope from this equation. As we know that 2x plus 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Arranging for y, so 3y is equal to minus 2x plus 12. Y is equal to minus 2x divided by 3 plus 12 divided by 3. You will get y is equal to minus 2 divided by 3x plus 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, so 4. This is the equation. This is the y-intercept form. So we can easily find the slope from this equation by comparing this with the general form y is equal to mx plus b, where m is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. So as these are parallel lines, so the slope will be the same. So we have slope m is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 and a point 6, 7. So we can easily find the equation of line from this. So as we know that y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Here we have, this is x1, this is y1. So by putting simply values, y minus 7 is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 x minus 6. So y minus 7 is equal to minus 2 divided by 3x plus 2 divided by 3 into 6. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So y minus 7 is equal to minus 2 divided by 3x plus 4. So y is equal to minus 2 divided by 3x plus 4 plus 7. So y is equal to minus 2 divided by 3x plus 11. So this is the equation having slope minus 2 divided by 3 and a point 6, 7. Now let's change the condition. between, let we have 0.67 and the same equation, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. But now in this case they are perpendicular, so this is the equation, the point of equation of line that is perpendicular to this equation of line. So now what we do, as we already find the slope from this equation, slope is m is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. So as we know that these are perpendicular to each other, so slope will be, so this is the case when they are parallel, so the slope will be same. In the case of perpendicular, the slope will be reciprocal and positive. As this is negative, so this will be positive. So this will be the condition for perpendicular. So now we have slope and point. Now we can easily find the equation of line. So y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. This is, let's suppose this is x1, this is y1. So by simply putting the values, y minus 7 is equal to 3 divided by 2 into x minus 6. So we will get y minus 7 is equal to 3 divided by 2x and minus 9. So y is equal to 3 divided by 2x minus 9 plus 7, as this sign will be changed to plus, so minus 9 plus 7. So y is equal to 3 divided by 2x minus 2. So this is the equation of line for point 6,7 and slope 3 divided by 2, when these point equation of that point and that line is perpendicular to each other. So this is the case when they are perpendicular to each other. In this video we learn about parallel and perpendicular lines and did some examples. If you like the video, please consider it for subscribing and share it with your friends, and thanks for watching.